On Saturday, December 17th, the Tenrikyo Hawaii Young Men's Association was tasked to help Aloha Church in Waipahu cut down their diseased mango tree and other surrounding greenery that needed to be maintained. Participants worked hard in the hot weather to accomplish the rigorous task of cutting a large mango tree and other surrounding greenery in the Aloha Church property and hauled the cuttings to the dump.
Right now we're dumping trash. It's our large tree cutting, Hinokishin at Aloha Church.